In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the reverse light bulbs on your 2010 to 2013 Mitsubishi Outlander. It's a very easy process, only takes about 5 minutes, so let's go ahead and get started. Now there are two reverse light bulbs on your Mitsubishi Outlander. They're both on the hatch. In order to access them, we have to open up the hatch. Now right there, that's where the access panel is. Now you can just use your finger and just pull it out. If you don't want to do that, you can always just use your house keys or your car keys to pry the access panel out of there. Now once you do that, first off we'll take off the electrical connector. So press it down with your index finger there and pull it out. Get that out of the way, and this is the part where you have to be patient. All you have to do is just twist it left, but it tends to be stuck in place, so you may have to use both your hands, use your finger, do whatever you have to do, but you just have to twist it left, and it may take a couple minutes even to get it loose. Once it's loose, all you have to do is just get it out. Just like that, and the bulb size is W21W or 7440 or T20. Again, W21W 7440 or T20. Get the old bulb out by just simply pulling it out of the bulb holder. Get the new bulb and push it in place just like that, and now we can put the bulb holder back in its position. Once it's sitting flush like that, we can twist it right to lock it in place. And now let's not forget to put the electrical connector back on. It only goes on one way. So push it down, click it, that's locked in place. And now let's put the access panel back in its place. And that is pretty much it. Hope you found the video helpful.